Hello, if you're watching this video, you probably have way too much zucchini right now, and I can give you one more recipe to add to your recipe book for a quick way to make a dinner with zucchini. This is a really easy dinner that you can make with just some sausage and diced up zucchini, and then we've added a jar of relish, which really just makes a nice kind of juicy, saucy mixture that you can add to either rice or spaghetti or mashed potatoes, or my recent favorite, some farro. And this is quite a hearty dinner. You've got your vegetables and your meats and your starches, which if I've got those three, then it's a pretty good dinner for me. So we took a zucchini on a boat trip that I had with my in-laws a little while ago, and my mom-in-law made this delicious dinner with zucchini where she combined sausage and a jar of relish with some diced zucchini, and it was delicious. So let me show you how she made it, real easy. And it was nice to be behind the camera for once and actually be able to just kind of move around and do some funky shots. So this is all the B-roll of her making this zucchini dish for dinner. Sausage, dice the zucchini, and then add it into the pan, kind of sauteing and grilling it in. And then we've added a jar of relish. Final last bit when she added some kale that we had from the garden to the top, just to kind of really make a vegetable medley kind of sausage dish. Now we grow zucchini because it's just such a rewarding crop to grow. It grows fairly easy in our area, and I can grow it. And so far, all the varieties of zucchini that I've grown has grown really well. So that is a plus, and it's worthwhile growing for me because it's food that grows easily and well in our area. But it's hard to find good recipes for zucchini. I mean, you can fry it in a pan, you can grill it on the barbecue, you could probably do some baking with it. I know a lot of people make zucchini bread and zucchini muffins and things like that, but I feel once you've made all those things, you've kind of run out of ways to use zucchini. It's not that, I haven't really been able to think of anything creative to do other than either eat it fresh, grill it, or use it in baking, which I guess that's all you need to do. But the taste of zucchini isn't all that poignant, so it's not like carrot that does really well in a carrot cake, for example, or in soup. And then zucchini does have a flavor to it, but I find it pretty bland and just filled with lots of water. So it's an interesting vegetable to try to cook something really exciting with. You really have to kind of spice it up. But this recipe does really good in that because you've got the sausage, which adds that nice fatty flavor of the meat, and then you've got some relish, which has the tomato and the onion layers that kind of just make a good use of the zucchini. It pairs really well with the sausage and the relish and gives you at least a very tasty dinner for this kind of bland vegetable. Now, I don't mean to hate on zucchini. I mean, I'm making a video about zucchinis because we grow them and they're good to eat. I I'm not opposed to zucchinis, but they're just not the most glamorous vegetable. And so that's why I'm looking for ways that I can incorporate it into our dinners that is actually exciting and would taste good. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that you have one more zucchini dinner idea now that you can use those zucchinis up for. And if you like content like this, please stick around. Why don't you subscribe and then catch some of our upcoming videos.